Entigrity Originals presents Mr. Smith versus Mr. Accountant. Mr. Smith works with Entigrity, and for the last 8 years, he has been on a mission to help accountants globally with offshore staffing for their firm. Mr. Accountant, on the other hand, is a busy accountant in practice for the last 14 years, and as usual, buried under the workload and crunching numbers. Mr. Accountant is really having a hard time running his firm. Everyone wants a piece of him, and he is so much constrained with staffing and capacity. And here comes Mr. Smith to his rescue with offshore staffing. However, you know Mr. Accountant, he is really skeptical about everything, and so be it for offshore staffing. It would be interesting to see what they are discussing. Can I hire part-time temp tax or accounting staff just for tax season?
Of course. With Entigrity Offshore Staffing, you can hire tax staff starting at $9 an hour. You can hire them part-time, temporary, permanent, or even on demand.
What? $9 per hour? That's not even minimum wage in California.
You think we're doing something illegal? Absolutely not. This is offshore staffing. Staff works from our secured office in India, but like your local staff, offshore staff works dedicatedly for you and directly reports to you.
But still, $9 per hour is nothing. Are there any additional costs?
Let me answer. But before that, let me ask a question. How much does a tax preparer or tax associate typically cost?
Anywhere between $20 per hour to $45 per hour, plus payroll taxes, bonuses, overheads, etc.
Because of currency arbitrage, $9 an hour in India is almost equivalent to $30 or $40 stateside. Entigrity Offshore Staffing exclusively works with 500 plus CPAs, accounting, and tax firms who pay a flat hourly fee with no compliance cost, no payroll taxes, no overheads, and no additional cost.
But do they have the required skills or experience of U.S. accounting or tax?
Each and every offshore staff that works for you has prior work experience of U.S. accounting and tax and have minimum bachelor's degree in accounting.
And do they know the software?
Absolutely, yes. Since Part 8 years, Entigrity has staffed 600 plus accounting and tax professionals for CPA and tax firms here in America, having knowledge of QBO, QBD, Xero, Drake, Lacerte, UltraTax, ProSeries, CCH Access, Bill.com, Jetpack, Gusto, or any other software.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. Can I talk to some of your clients just to understand it better?
Sure, why not? We have dozens of client success stories. Here's the link to our YouTube channel.
Can I choose the person I work with? How does it work?
It's just like hiring staff locally. You get pre-screened resumes that fit your requirements, then you can schedule interviews and tests. After analyzing each candidate, you can choose the one you like the most.
What about having control and reporting over staff that sits thousands of miles away?
I know direct control and reporting is of utmost importance, and that's why Entigrity provides you staff that works dedicatedly with you. Let's say you hire staff part-time for 20 hours a week. Your staff will only work for you during those designated hours and will report directly to you and follows your firm's policies and protocols. He's your employee by all means. He just works from our secured facilities in India.
What if I don't like anyone after interviewing the candidates and I don't want to move ahead? Is there a cost to it?
We have 100% confidence in our recruitment process. It rarely happens. Even if you don't like anyone after taking interviews and tests, there is no cost to it. You'll be billed only when the staff you hire starts working for you.
Ron, I'm interested. Let's get the ball rolling. How soon can we hire someone?
The hiring process is quick and it'll take between 1 to 2 weeks. If you plan to hire temp staff for the upcoming tax season, November is a good time to freeze your new hire.